Right. Tamai will start bank reconciliation statement. Right. Okay. Thank you. Abhishek. Good details there. Right. Right. Tamai, today we will start bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. We'll try to complete this part today. We'll try to complete this part today. Start with the logical understanding of bank reconciliation statement. Okay. Next. Right. Students. Now we are in chapter 4. Now we are in chapter 4. Okay. Already we have discussed introduction to accounting we have done. Introduction to accounting we have discussed. First part. Second part is accounting equation. Okay, we discuss accounting equation with double entries. Okay, and then we got the uh, logical idea. Okay, we got the logical idea regarding double entries and regarding the preparation of profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. Okay, right, and then third lesson, okay, we did not discuss third lesson, a separate part for the third lesson. All the things required for the third lesson we discussed with the accounting equation questions. All right. And then on the fourth lesson, now we are in fourth lesson. On the fourth lesson, we discussed primary books. We discussed primary books. Okay. Now we are in fourth lesson, second part. Second part is bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Right, Lamai, after completing after completing bank reconciliation, okay, after completing bank reconciliation statement, third part is control accounts. Third part is control account. Fourth part is correction of errors. Correction of errors. Lamai, these two parts we will discuss after completing grade 12 syllabus. Okay, in grade 12 syllabus, last lesson is partnership. Partnership. After completing partnership, we will discuss control accounts and correction of errors. Okay, otherwise it will take, if not, it will take long time to complete control accounts and correction of errors. Okay, after completing bank reconciliation, directly we are moving to chapter 5. Chapter 5 accounting concepts. Chapter 5 accounting concept. Okay, I will give you some idea regarding accounting concept, not the whole idea. I will give you some idea regarding accounting concepts, and then after completing chapter 5, we will move into chapter 6. Chapter 6 is sole proprietorship accounting. Okay, why we discuss sole proprietorship accounting in other lessons? Time to time, I will explain some of the things available in chapter 5. At first, I will give you some rough idea, and after that, okay, while we covering sole proprietorship and other lessons, time to time, I will explain accounting concepts. Okay, accounting concepts. Okay, right. Today we'll try to complete as much as possible in bank reconciliation. Okay, sometimes it will take today and next Sunday. Okay, we will try to complete this lesson today. If not, within 2 days we will be able to complete this lesson. Okay, right. Now my bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement means normally a business organization maintain a bank. Okay, normally a business organization maintain a bank. Okay, a business organization maintain a bank account. Already I told you. Students, normally a business organization maintain only two. Okay, normally a business organization maintain only two accounts. Okay, related to cash. One is petty cash book. Petty cash book already discussed. Petty cash book. Other one is bank account. Okay, normally a business organization maintain two primary books relating to cash. Petty cash book and bank account. Petty cash book and bank account. Okay. To record petty cash expenses, a business use petty cash book. Petty cash book. Okay. Under the petty cash book, under petty cash, we discuss petty cash payment journal and petty cash control account. Okay. Petty cash payment journal and petty cash control account, but we will say it as petty cash book. Normally, okay, business organization maintain petty cash book for the petty cash transaction, and then for the main cash transaction, a business maintain bank account. Bank account. Okay, bank account. Here, bank account means a current account. Current account. You know, in a commercial bank, basically we can maintain three types of accounts. Basically, basic accounts that we can open in a commercial bank are savings account. First one, savings account. Second one, fixed deposit account. Third one is current account. Third one is current account. Normally in a commercial bank, we can open savings account and current account. Now, here current account means if you have a current account, you can transaction. You can do transactions via checks. Via checks. Okay, checks transactions can be done through a current account. So then here, bank account is a current account. Okay, bank account means it is a current account of the business. Current account of the business. Okay, a business organization may maintain one current account or few current accounts in different commercial. Okay, no need to have only one current account. Okay, if you have business, you may have DFCC current account, Sampath Bank current account, Commercial Bank current account, HNB Bank current account. Okay, there may be few current accounts in a business organization. Here, current account is a bank account. Current account is a bank account. Now, in this bank account, we can deposit cash received. In this current account, we can deposit cash received as well as check received. Okay, check receipts and cash receipts we can deposit in this current account. We can deposit in this current account. And then, if you want to make any payment, you need to do that payment via checks. You need to issue a check. You need to issue a check to the loan if you want to make any payment. Okay, if you want to make any payment, you need to issue a check. Okay, 99% of business organization currently in Sri Lanka use current accounts for their day-to-day business activities. Okay, by maintaining current account, commercial bank provide us a service. They provide us a service. They maintain our cash. Okay, they maintain our current account. They manage our cash. They provide us a service. Therefore, they charge a service fee, bank charges. They charge a service fee. Okay, yeah. They get from us a service charge. Bank charge. That is called bank. Okay, by maintaining account, bank provide us a service. They provide us a service. Okay, yes, they provide us a service. Right, then bank reconciliation. Okay, here the topic is bank reconciliation. Okay, with the question we will discuss bank reconciliation. Now, meaning of bank reconciliation with the question we will discuss. Okay, now here we assume normally a business organization maintain petty cash book and bank account. That's a practical situation. But for the understanding purpose, okay, we will discuss cash account also. Cash account. We will discuss a cash account also. Okay, for the understanding purpose, we will discuss a cash account. Okay, most of the business organizations do not maintain a cash account, separate cash account. If they maintain a separate cash account, they need to maintain a cash balance in the business organization. Okay, they should have a safety locker. in the business to maintain the cash flow. Okay, that is why they do not maintain a cash balance in the business. For the petty cash expenses, they retain small amount in the business organization and total and balance total amount they deposit in the current account. And cash of the business managed via checks. But here for the understanding purpose, we'll discuss a cash account also. Okay, we'll discuss a cash account maintained by the business. Okay, cash account maintained by the business organization. Cash account and bank account. Okay, right. Lamai, I'm not going to discuss theoretical matters in detail. Okay, at first we'll discuss first question. Okay, at first we'll discuss first question. To the first question, we'll discuss bank reconciliation statement. Okay, right. Lamai, in your writing book, okay, in your writing book, you need to get 2 pages. Okay, in your CR book, first page. Allocate first page. Now here question number 1. Following details belongs to the Pereira business. First page. You need to allocate first page for the Pereira business. You need to allocate first page for the Pereira business. Here the business organization, Pereira business organization. Therefore, allocate first page for the Pereira business. Pereira business. Pereira business. And then other page, second page, allocate Lama here deposited 40,000 in bank to open a current account. Lama here write down in HNB bank. Okay, in front of the this one write down deposited 40,000 in the bank to open a current account in HNB bank. Write down HNB bank. Lama write down HNB bank. HNB bank. HNB bank. HNB bank. Okay, and then here allocate this space to write for the HNB bank. Allocate this space to HNB bank. Okay, now first page for the business, second page for the HNB bank. Right now, give me 2 minutes. Lamai quickly draw cash book for the Pereira business. And then bank account. Bank account for bank account. Okay, bank account maintained by the Pereira business for HNB bank. Okay, bank account. Okay, cash book of the Pereira business, bank account of the Pereira business. This bank account for the HNB bank. And then for the HNB bank, draw small cash book. Lamai 2 lines enough. 2 lines enough. 2 lines enough. 2 lines enough. And then here, draw the current account maintained by the HNB bank. Current account maintained by the HNB bank. Now here, current account. Current account for Pereira business. Okay. This is a current account maintained by the HNB bank for the PANORA business. Here debit, here credit and balance. Okay. Right. Current account maintained by the HNB bank for PANORA business. Here, this is a bank account maintained by PANORA business for the HNB bank. Right. Let me quickly do this one. Give me 2 minutes. Huh? I need to give control setup to my son. Right. Now we'll start. Huh? We'll start. Right. Now, this is the cash flow prepared by the PANORA business organization. And then this is the bank account maintained by the HNB bank. Sorry, this is the bank account maintained by PANORA business for the HNB bank. For the HNB bank. And then here, this is the cash flow of the HNB bank. And then this is the current account maintained by the HNB bank for the PANORA business. For the PANORA business. Okay, in our accounts, we have two sides, debit side and credit side. But a commercial bank maintain an account using this format. They allocate this column for the debit side, they allocate this column for the credit side. And last column to record the balance. Last column to record the balance. Abhishek, clear?
Yes.
Okay, right. बात ये clear बात ये? बात ये सी clear बात ये? Clear? Right? Right. 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 We'll start. And then over here, look at the question. Look at the question. Right, look at the question. Following details belong to PANORA business. PANORA business for the month ended 31st January 2025. For the month ended 31st January 2025. These are the business of PANORA business. And then here you can see required bank account, bank statement. Third one, find the reasons for the differences. Adjusted cash book. Here, adjusted cash book is adjusted bank account. Huh? Right. Fifth one, bank reconciliation statement. Okay, then? Right. In addition to these things, we'll prepare a cash book also. Huh? We'll prepare a cash book also. Okay, cash book also. Right. Okay, cash book also. Right. Now we'll start. Look at the question. Look at the question. Here, right. Right. Cash book opening balance 45,000. Cash book opening balance. Now, 1st January cash book opening balance. Opening asset ne. Opening cash balance. Opening asset. Then 1st January. Cash book opening balance 45,000. Cash book balance brought forward 45,000. 1st January cash book balance brought forward 45,000. Opening cash balance of the business organization. Okay, quick write down. Quick write down. Cash book opening balance 45,000. 1st January. 1st January cash book opening balance 45,000. Okay then. Clear? Okay then. Right. Second one. Look at the second one. 2nd January. Received 30,000 cash from a debtor. Lamai, 2nd January. Received 30,000 cash from a debtor. Then how to pass double entry for this transaction? Received 30,000 cash from a debtor. Business collected 30,000 cash from a debtor. How to record this one? Now received cash then Receiving cash 30,000. Now how to pass double entry? Cash book debit 30,000. Debtor account credit 30,000. Received cash ne. So cash book debit 30,000. Cash book debit 30,000. Debtors. 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 Debtor account credit 30,000. Cash. Cash book debit. Debtors account credit. Cash book debit. Debtors account credit. Okay, na? Receiving 30,000 cash from the debtor. Okay, receiving 30,000 cash from the debtor. Right. Right. And then again 2nd January. Again 2nd January. Deposited 40,000 in the bank to open a current account in HNB bank. Then in HNB bank. Deposited 40,000 in the bank to open a current account in HNB. They open a current account in the HNB bank by depositing how much? 40,000. How to record this transaction? Am I? In the para business, for the para business, cash outflowing 40,000. So then cash book credit, cash book credit 2nd January. Cash book credit 2nd January. Bank 40,000. Cash book credit 40,000. Bank 40,000. And then my bank account debit 2nd January. Cash 40,000. Cash 40,000. Here cash outflowing. Business organization deposited 40,000 in commercial bank to open a current account. In HNB bank to open a current account. So then cash flow from the business organization credit 40,000, bank account debit 40,000. They deposited 40,000 in current account. Now after passing this double entry, you need to go to the HNB bank. Pereira need to go to the HNB bank. After going to HNB bank, Pereira opened the current account. Pereira opened the current account. Pereira opened the current account. Now here HNB bank is a business organization. HNB bank, one of the business in Sri Lanka. HNB bank, one of the business in Sri Lanka. One of the business. Okay, huh? A company registered in the share market. A company registered in the share market. Colombo Stock Exchange. Share market. Okay, public limited company. It is a business organization. If it is a business, they pass double entries. If it is a business, they pass double entries. In their system, they pass double entries if it is a business organization. Here, HNB bank is a business. Okay, so the HNB bank received cash from Pereira. Pereira deposited in HNB bank 40,000 to open a current account. Then how to pass double entries for HNB bank? Okay, 40,000 received to the HNB bank. 40,000 received to the HNB bank. 40,000 received to the HNB bank. HNB bank is a business. HNB bank is a business. Okay, 40,000 received to the HNB bank. Then receiving cash, HNB cash book debit. HNB cash book debit, cash inflow to the HNB business organization. Then HNB cash book debit 40,000. HNB cash book debit 40,000. And then what? And then Pereira's current account credit. Pereira's current account credit. So my HNB cash book debit 40,000. Here 2nd January. Pereira HNB cash book debit 40,000 Pereira. And then HNB current account Pereira crediting 2nd January. Okay, cash deposit 40,000. Now, HNB Bank is a business organization. They pass double entries. How they pass double entries? HNB cash book debit 40,000. Current account credit 40,000. Current account credit 40,000. Now, this 40,000 deposited cash, decreasing cash asset, increasing bank asset. Okay, decreasing cash asset, increasing bank asset. Increasing asset. When you deposited 40,000 in HDFC Bank, asset increase in the business, asset increase. As well as on the other side, asset decrease. But to the HDFC Bank, asset increased by 40,000. Asset increased by 40,000. Liability increased by 40,000. Liability increase. Right. When Pereira issued a check, based on that check, HNB Bank need to pay cash to relevant party. Based on that check, HNB Bank need to pay cash to the relevant supplier. So, students, this 40,000 is a liability for the HNB Bank. This 40,000 asset for the HNB Bank. Sorry, yes, asset for the HNB Bank. Okay, every transaction has a dual impact. This is a dual impact from the HNB Bank point of view. Receiving cash book debit. On the other hand, increasing liability 40,000. Right now, students, the balance available in Pereira account is how much? 40,000. 40,000. Daksharni, you are doing a bad reconciliation. Question number 1. Okay, here this is the accounts maintained by the Pereira Business Organization. These are the accounts maintained by HNB Bank. Okay, cash book opening balance 45,000. Okay, Daksharni. Cash book opening balance 45,000, and then received 30,000 cash from debtor 30,000. Debtor credit, cash book debit. But after that, Pereira deposited 40,000 in HNB Bank to open a current account. And then cash book credit 40,000, bank account debit 40,000. After passing this double entry, Pereira going to the HNB Bank to deposit this 40,000 and open a current account. And based on that deposit, HNB Bank pass double entry. Okay, they need to pass double entry like this. HNB Bank cash book debit, Pereira current account credit. Daksharni, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Try to get the idea, okay, from this first question. And after that, no need to worry about the bad reconciliation. Try to get the practical understanding. Normally in the A-level exam, examiner does not test a separate bad reconciliation question. Okay, he will not give you a separate reconciliation question. Okay, in questions, okay, to some of the questions, examiner add reconciliation points. Sometimes with the number bit organization, he may test. Sometimes with the partnership question. Sometimes with company account. But maybe. Okay. Examiner add bad reconciliation to some of the questions. Therefore, to provide answers for those questions, you need to have the clear understanding regarding bad reconciliation. Okay, from this first question, I can cover whole thing related to bad reconciliation. Okay, right. Right. This is the recording. Okay, this is how depositing cash recorded by both business organizations. Pereira, okay, maintain a business. HNB, okay, this business, that one also one of the business. Right? Right. Now I look at the 3rd January transaction. 3rd January transaction. Look at the 3rd January transaction. 3rd January, Lamai received a check of 35,000 from the debtor and deposited in the bank on the same day. Realized date 4th January. Realized date 4th January. Okay. Received the check of 35,000 from a debtor and deposited in the bank on the same date, realized date 4th January. Realized date 4th January. Here, Pereira business collected 35,000 check from a debtor. Then, if Pereira business organization received 35,000 check, how to pass double entries by Pereira business? How to pass double entries by them? 3rd January. Bank account debit, debtors 35,000. Bank account debit, debtors 35,000. Debtors account credit. Okay, the debtors account credit, bank account debit 35,000. Debtors account credit, bank account debit 35,000. This is how Pereira passed double entries. Okay, now after receiving this 35,000 check, Pereira's debtor asset decreased by 35,000, bank asset increased by 35,000. And on the same day, Pereira deposited the 35,000 check in the HNB bank. HNB bank. Okay, Battaramulla here. Realized date for January. What is this realized date? Cash collected date by the HNB bank for January. HNB bank collected cash for January. If they collected cash on 4th January, how to pass double entries by HNB bank? HNB bank cash book debit 4th January. HNB bank cash book debit 4th January. Okay, HNB bank cash book debit 4th January. And then Pereira account credit 35,000 4th January. 4th January. Okay, yeah. My cash book debit 35,000 and then Pereira account credit 35,000. Okay, HNB cash book debit 35,000. Pereira current account credit 35,000. Pereira current account credit 35,000. But no need to continue this cash book. No need to continue this cash book. Okay, no need to continue this cash book. Okay, you need to know once received this 35,000 cash. Okay, HNB bank debit their cash book. No need to write down. No need to continue this cash. I gave you this cash book only for the understanding purpose. Okay, after receiving cash, okay, to HNB bank, they will debit to their cash book, and then Pereira current account credit 35,000. Pereira current account credit 35,000. Here, write down check deposit. Write down check deposit. Write down check deposit 35,000. Now the balance is how much? Now the balance is 75,000. 75,000. The balance is how much? 35,000. 75,000. Then 40,000 plus 35,000, 75,000. Balance available in Pereira current account 40,000 plus 35,000, 75,000. बात है clear? ये बात है. Daksharni clear? Daksharni?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek clear? Abhishek?
Yes.
Right, Lamai? What do you mean by realization of step? Realization means what? Realization means, Lamai, they say here debtor provided the check to the Pereira business. Okay, debtor provided a check to the Pereira business organization. Right, Lamai, let's say like this. Let's say like this, Lamai. Let's say Pereira received Sampad bank check. Sampad bank. They say that debtor maintain his bank in Sampad bank Nugegoda branch. Okay, the debtor maintain his current account in Sampad bank in Nugegoda branch. Then a Sampad bank Nugegoda branch check provided by the debtor to our business, to the Pereira business. That debtor provided Sampath Bank Nugegoda branch checks to the PANORA business. PANORA business. After receiving this check to the PANORA business, they say here they say Pereira maintain his current account. Pereira maintain his current account in Kiribati branch. In Kiribati branch. In Kiribati branch. Then after receiving this check to Pereira business, Pereira deposit this check in the HNB Bank Kiribati branch. HNB Bank Kiribati branch. Kiribati branch. After depositing into HNB Bank Kiribati branch, they have a separate scan machine. Okay, they have a separate scan machine. From that scan machine, they can scan both sides at once. They can scan both sides at once. Both sides. Okay. Okay, now front side and back side. They can scan at once from that scan machine. And then, and after scanning this check by the HNB Bank Kiribati branch, they send the details, those details to Lanka Clearing Private Limited. In Sri Lanka, we have a separate company. Okay, we have a separate company. That company name is Lanka Clearing Private Limited. If you are doing business studies, in chapter 7, you can learn Lanka Clearing Private Limited. You can learn something about Lanka Clearing Private Limited under the chapter 7, I think. Yes, under chapter 7, I think. You can learn Lanka Clearing Private Limited. They send this information to Lanka Clearing Private Limited. Lanka Clearing Private Limited is the agent in Sri Lanka to clear checks. To clear checks within banks. Lanka Clearing Private Limited is the bank responsible. Okay, responsible to clear checks. Okay, to transfer information regarding checks within banks in Sri Lanka. Within banks in Sri Lanka. Then HNB Bank send this scan copy and details to Lanka Clearing Private Limited. And then Lanka Clearing Private Limited send that information to Sampath Bank Nugegoda branch. Sampath Bank Nugegoda branch. Nugegoda branch. Okay, it means through the Lanka Clearing Private Limited, HNB Bank requests cash from Sampath Bank Nugegoda branch. They ask, HNB Bank ask from Sampath Bank, can you pay for this check? Okay, this data maintain current account in your branch, in the Sampath Bank Nugegoda branch. Can you pay for this check? Okay, they ask that question through the Lanka Clearing Private Limited from Sampath Bank Nugegoda branch. If they can pay for that check to HNB Bank, they send again message to Lanka Clearing Private Limited. They send that information to Lanka Clearing Private Limited, and then Lanka Clearing Private Limited send that message to HNB Bank Kiribati. If they can pay that, they pass that message to HNB Bank Kiribati. Okay, they request cash for this check through the Lanka Clearing Private Limited. If they can pay for that check, Sampath Bank send that information to HNB Bank through Lanka Clearing Private Limited. Okay, Lanka Clearing Private Limited. And then okay, Lanka Clearing Private Limited does not transfer cash. They pass information between banks. Between banks. Okay, between banks. Okay, and Lanka Clearing Private Limited calculate the net payable, net cash payable. Net cash payable from HNB Bank to Sampath Bank and from Sampath Bank to HNB Bank. They can calculate net payment, total payments within a day for all the transactions conducted by each bank. Okay, between banks. They calculate the total payable balance. Total payable and receivable balance. Okay, and then based on those information, okay, based on those information, okay, HNB Bank, okay, Lanka Clearing Private Limited inform net payable and net receivable balance to both banks. every day. They transfer those information to each banks every day. And then based on those information, okay, Sampan Bank and HNB Bank exchange cash for the total payable and for the total receivable balance. They exchange net balance, net cash, receivable or payable amount. They exchange net cash balance. Okay, for that, to exchange net cash balance, in Sri Lanka we have separate interbank settlement system. Based on that interbank settlement system, they exchange net cash balance. They transfer net cash balance. Okay, and then over here, Pereira deposited this check on 3rd January. On 3rd January. Okay, after exchanging this information, after exchanging cash, okay, at night or sometime, okay, by both banks, okay, by 4th January, after collecting cash by HNB Bank credit is cash to Pereira's company. Net balance they will exchange, net payable or receivable they will exchange between each bank. After collecting net cash balance on 4th January, some HNB Bank credit this 35,000 to Pereira's company. Therefore, it takes some time to exchange this information. It takes some time. Here, deposited date 3rd January, okay, but realized date, received cash, received date by the cash received date by HNB Bank 4th January. It takes some time. That is called checks realization processing scheme. Checks realization processing scheme. Right. Bhatia clear. Now it takes some time. Okay. Okay, now it takes some time. If you are doing Bhatia business studies under chapter 7, I think you may have learned Lanka Clearing Private Limited. Financial organization in financial system in Sri Lanka. Then under financial system in Sri Lanka, you can learn Lanka Clearing Private Limited. Okay, for the examination, you need to, for the business study subject, okay, you need to study regarding Lanka Clearing Private Limited. Okay, meaning and their tasks you need to know. Okay, right. Is it clear? Abhishek, clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir, right. Dakshar, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Now, we'll take a break. We'll take 15 minutes break. Again, we'll start at 9:45. I need to get my breakfast. Again, we'll start at 9:45. 9:45. 15 minutes break. Right. Here, 3rd January transaction, received a check of 30,000. Data account credit, bank account debit, that much also, and then the same day they have deposited this check in the HNB Bank. After depositing the check realized date 4th January. Cash collected by the date, by the HNB Bank 4th January. Okay, here 4th January, not account Pereira credit 35,000, balance available now. How much? 35,000. Right. Look at the next transaction. 5th January, look at transaction. Received a check of 46,000 from a debtor and deposited in the bank on the same date. Realized date 7th January. Right. Now I will record that transaction. 5th January. 5th January. Received 46,000 check from a debtor. Again, debtors 46,000. Okay. Bank account debit. Debtors account credit. Bank account debit. Debtors account credit 46,000. 46,000. And then realized date 7th January. Cash collected by the commercial bank 7th January. 7th January. Here check deposit. Check deposit 46,000. Check deposit 46,000. Right now balance available in the Pereira's fund account how much? 75,000 plus 46,000. 121,000. 121,000. Balance available is 121,000. Okay, next. Here, bank account debit 5th January debtors account credit, and then HNB Bank recorded the check deposit on 7th January. 7th January check deposit 46,000. Now the balance available 75,000 plus 46,000, 121,000. Okay, right. Clear? Okay, Dakshari, okay, Dakshari. Abhishek, okay, Abhishek. Abhishek, okay, Abhishek. Dakshari, okay, done. Dakshari, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Now I look at the next transaction. 6th January, paid supplier 25,000 issuing a check. Presented date 9 January. Our business organization paid, okay, Pereira business organization paid 25,000 issuing a check. 6th January. 6th January, here 6th January, creditors, paid supplier, creditors 25,000. Creditors 25,000. Okay, account credit 25,000. Bank account debit 25,000. Creditors account debit 25,000. Creditors account debit 25,000. Bank account credit, creditors account debit. And then presented date to the bank 9 January. Presented date. Okay, cash paid date by the bank 9 January. Here write out check payment. Check payment, huh? Check payment. Check payment 9 January 25,000. 25,000. What has happened? Pereira issued a check to a supplier on 6 January, but cash paid date by the bank 9 January. 9 January. That is called, okay, presented date 9 January. Presented date. Cash paid date by the 9 January. Alright. That one also, because of the complex checks realization process, although you issued on 6 January, this check, actually, the bank, okay, has paid on 9 January. Because of that complex checks realization process, it takes some time. It takes some time. 20% 6 January. Sometimes 7th and 8th, maybe holidays, Saturdays, Sundays. If those 2 days holidays, bank will not issue cash to relevant supplier. But 9 January, bank paid 25,000 to the supplier's account. Okay, they deducted 25,000 from our. Okay, 9 January. Okay, the reason for those for the delay is checks realization process. Check realization process. Okay, right. Check realization process. Right. Now my next transaction, 8 January. Look at the 8 January transaction. Paid supplier 15,000 issuing a checking. Presented date 10th January. Paid 8 January. 8 January, cash paid. Coming to supplier, creditors. Creditors, how much? 15,000. Okay, bank account credit, creditors account debit. Business organization paid 15,000 to creditor. But presented date, it means cash paid date by the bank, 10 January. 10 January. Here, 121,000 minus 21,000, 25,000. You need to record the balance amount. 121,000 minus 25,000. Balance amount is 96,000. Balance amount is 96,000. Balance amount is 96,000. Okay, another one here. Issued 15,000 check to creditor on 8 January, but cash paid date by the bank 10 January. Presented date means cash paid date by the bank 10 January. 10th January. You write down check payment. Write down check payment. Check payment 15,000. Check payment 15,000. Check payment how much? 15,000. Okay, right now balance is how much? 96,000 minus 15,000. Balance available how much? Balance available 81,000. Balance available 81. Balance available 81. Balance available 81,000. Okay, balance available 81,000. Okay, right. 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 Abhishek, done. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Now I look at the next transaction, 10th January. Look at the next transaction, 10th January. Received a check of 16,000 from a debtor and deposited in the bank on the same date, but this honored by the bank on 14th January. We have collected the check on 10th January and deposited in the bank 10th January. How much? 60,000 check. Come on here, 10th January. 10th January, debtors 16,000. Debtors 16,000. Okay, bank account debit, debtors account debit. Bank account debit, debtors account debit. We collected 16,000 check from a debtor. And after receiving this check, Pereira deposited this check in the HNB bank. But what has happened? This check dishonored by the bank. This check returned by the bank on 14th January. Check return date. Check return date 14th January. Now I return this check 14th January. Then how to pass our entries by HNB bank. Now here deposited check ne deposited but dishonored check. Then deposited and dishonored check. At first bank deposit. Bank deposit this check into Pereira account at first. And then return that check, reverse that check, remove that check. At first bank made deposit check में दिया at first line 14 January. At first 14 January, bank deposit this check into Pereira account. Okay, here check deposit right down. Check deposit 60. At first, HDFC Bank deposit this check into Pereira account. Pereira account 16,000. Check deposit 16,000. Right now, balance available how much? 81,000 plus 60,000. 97,000. Balance available 97,000. At first, commercial bank deposit. And at the same time, bank remove this check. Remove this check. How to remove? We'll record it as check return. Okay, after depositing this check, at the same time, debit this check into Pereira current account. Here, write down check return. Check return, write down check return. Check return. How much check return? 16,000. Again, they need to debit. Again, they need to debit. At first deposit and then okay here deposited then return. Deposited then return. Okay, deposited then return. Here we assume until end of the month we can't get this bank account. This is a current account maintained by the HDFC Bank for Pereira business. And after printing this, here balance is how much? Again, balance is 81,000. 81,000. 81,000. Right. end of the year, end of the month, HNB Bank print this bank statement. And then printed copy we can get after January month. Then that is called bank statement. Bank statement. Okay. Okay. A printed copy of this bank statement, bank account, sent to the customer, sent to PANORA business by HNB Bank. End of the month. End of the month is normally January month. Then first week of the February month, HNB Bank send this copy to the PANORA business. First week of February month. First week of February month. HNB send the printed copy of this bank statement, bank account to PANORA business. That is called bank statement. Now here we assume until receiving the bank statement, our business is not aware about this return check. Commercial bank return the check, but until receiving the bank statement, okay, Pereira doesn't know about that. Doesn't know about that. Okay, therefore, my bank transfers credit and debit. But still, there is no adjustment in the Pereira's why? Still, he is not aware about that returning of code. Okay, right. Right. Look at the next answer. So, therefore, this one check, return check, we can record in the bank account. Okay, right. Right. Now, next one, write down. Next, look at the next transaction. 15 January. 15 January transaction. Direct remittance by a debtor to the bank 20,000. Direct remittance. Now, what do you mean direct remittance? What do you mean? Now, direct remittance is one of the debtor directly deposited cash into our bank. Pereira is not aware about that. He don't know. He doesn't know. Okay. Okay. Pereira doesn't know about the direct remittance. Okay. Pereira doesn't know about the direct remittance. Now, one of the directly deposited cash into our account. Until receiving the bank statement, he is not aware about that. But then need to record the bank received cash on 15 January. 15 January, write down direct remittance. Write down direct remittance. Direct remittance. Direct remittance. Write down my direct remittance. 22,000. Direct remittance 22,000. Direct remittance 22,000. One of the debtor directly deposited cash into our bank. Direct remittance 22,000. Now balance how much? 81,000 plus 22,000. 81,000 plus 22,000. Balance amount is 103,000. Balance available how much? 103,000 balance available. Balance available 103,000. बात ये क्लियर बात ये है बात ये क्लियर बात ये क्लियर बात ये right Lamai, look at the next one section. Abhishek clear Abhishek?
Yes.
ऐसे right. Dakshani clear? Dakshani clear? Right. Dakshani. What's it out? Understand what's the doubt? Yes, yes. Direct remittance bank record only in the bank account. Bank account. Okay. Then after receiving bank statement in February month. Okay. Then we can record later. We can record this bank direct remittance in the adjusted bank account. Here we assume Daksharni, until we receive the bank statement, Pereira is not aware about this. He doesn't know about this direct remittance. After receiving the bank statement, he records this 20,000 in the adjusted bank account. In the adjusted bank. Clear, Daksharni? Clear. Daksharni, clear or not? Daksharni. No, no. We can record Daksharni, but okay, after preparing this bank account, later we prepare another account that is called adjusted bank account. In that adjusted bank account, we record that remittances. Later we will record the okay, right. Then after receiving bank statement, okay, end of the in February month, first week, Pereira will collect bank statement, printed bank statement sent by the bank. After receiving that, he record these remittances in the adjusted bank. Okay, right. Date of remittances 20,000. Right, then my balance available now how much? 81,000 plus 22,000, 103,000. 103,000, nah? Okay, right. Next one. 16 January. 16 January, a paid supplier 17,000 issuing a check, but this honored by the bank on 19 January. Now my 16 January, 16 January issued 17,000 check to a creditor. Creditor, 17,000. Issued 70,000 check to a creditor. Okay, but this honored by the bank, returned by the bank on 19 January. Returned by the bank. Tell money. 19 January. 19 January. Here issued check name. So then bank record at first the bank issued that check from your account. Bank remove 70,000 from your account at first. And then again reverse. And then again reverse. Record and reverse. Record and reverse. Then my issued check. Here at first bank record it as check payment. Issued check in therefore at first bank record it as check payment 70,000. Check payment 70,000. At first, the issued check name. If our business credit, bank need to debit. Bank debit 70,000 at first. Right now balance is how much? 103,000 minus 70,000. How much? 86,000. Now balance is 86,000. Now balance is 86,000. And at the same time, Lamai, same time, 19 January, check return 17,000. Okay, the recorded check reversed by the bank, removed by the bank. Right now balance is how much? 86,000 plus 17,000 again 103,000 again 103,000. Right now balance how much? 103,000. Now I issued and returned check. Previous check was Deposited then return check. Deposited then return check. But this check issued then return check. Issued check but return. But until receiving the bank statement, our business is not aware about this returning of check. About this returning of check. That is our assumption. That is our assumption. Okay, that is our assumption. Right. Clear? Is it clear? Or do you have any doubt? Is there any doubt? Right. 20th January transaction. Now at 20th January transaction, standing order payment by the bank 8,000 for this. Now standing order means what? Standing order now Pereira has given an order to the commercial bank. Please pay my insurance amount. Please pay my insurance amount on 20th of every month. 20th day of every month. Pay my insurance amount. Insurance amount of 8,000. Pereira has informed the bank. Please pay 8,000 in each month. Okay, in each month to insurance company. Let's say to the selling for insurance company. Based on that order given by Pereira, commercial bank pay 8,000 to insurance company on every month. Okay, in every month. Okay, commercial bank pay this amount to insurance company. Let's say to selling company. Based on that standing order, 20th January, commercial bank paid, HNB bank paid standing order. Commercial bank paid how much? 8,000 to insurance company. 8,000 to select insurance company. Okay, HNB bank cash book credit, Pereira current account debit. Here, asset decreased by 8,000. Okay, here liability, liability of HNB bank decreased by 8,000. Right, now the balance is how much? Balance is 103,000 minus 8,000. 95,000. Balance is 95,000. 95,000. Now here also we assume until we receive the bank statement, our business is not aware about this standing order. Okay, now a few months ago, we have given this order to the bank, but now we have forgotten. We are unable to record this 8,000 here. Okay, but bank pay that amount on time to the Silicon company. Okay, Silicon. After receiving the bank statement, we can identify the standing order. Okay, right. Quick record that one. Also, Fatih, Daksharni, Abhishek. Okay, next slide. This is about 25th January. Look at the 25th January transaction. 25th January. Received a check of 28,000 from there and deposited in the bank on the same day, but uncredited to the bank till 31st January. Lamai, 25th January, we have deposited 28,000 check. 25th January, we have deposited 28,000 check in the bank, but uncredited until 31st January. Tell me, we have deposited check 25th January. Debtors, we write down debtors 20,000. We deposited, we recorded them, deposited in the bank. But until 31st January, the bank has not collected cash for this check. Until receiving check cash for that check, they do not record that 28,000 deposit in PANORA's account until receiving cash. Okay, until receiving cash, so until receiving the confirmation from Lanka Clearing Private Limited, they do not record this cash in the current account of PANORA's. Okay, that is called unrealized check. Unrealized check. Unrealized check. How much? 28,000. Unrealized check. Then 5. Tamai, look at the next transaction. 28 January, paid water bill 12,000 issuing a check. Unpercented to the bank till January. We have issued 12,000 check on 28 January. 28 January issued what check for the water bill. Water expenses. 12,000. But until 31st January, commercial bank has not paid cash for this check. Commercial bank has not paid cash for this. Lemon. The transaction will be recorded only in business bank account. Only in business bank account. Okay. Right. My last transaction. Look at the last transaction. 31st January. Bank charges debited by the bank 2,570. My bank deduct 2,570 from our bank account. Why? Bank manage our cash. Therefore, bank deduct 31st January bank charges 2,570 from our bank account. Our bank account. From our account, bank deduct 2,570. Right now, balance is how much? 95,000 minus 2,570. 92,430. 92,430. 92,400. Right. We recorded all the transactions in the bank account as well as in the current bank account as well as in the current. Right. Now, am I quickly balance of the cash book? Am I quickly balance of the cash book? Calculate the closing cash book balance. Am I not to balance cash book? Quickly balance of bank account. Balance of bank account. Calculate the closing balance of bank account. Right. How much the closing balance of bank account? Right. Now, how much the closing cash balance of the bank account balance? 96,000. 96,000. Nah? Is it correct? 96,000. 4,000 plus 35,000 plus 46,000 plus 16,000 plus 28,000. 165,000. Right. You said total amount 165,000. Right. Now, 165,000 minus 25,000 and 15,000, 17,000 and 12,000. Yes, 96,000. Yes, balance is 90,000. Balance carried down. And then here balance note 496. Proceed as balance. What's the balance? Abhishek, okay, Abhishek.
Yes.
Badye. Now here, balance as per the bank account of the business. Balance as per the bank account of the business 96,000. But according to the balance of the bank statement, balance payable to Federal Business by HNB Bank, how much? 92,430. There's a difference. Our balance shows 96,000, but HNB Bank shows 92,430. There's a difference. There's a difference between two account balances. Between two account balances. Right now, now you need to cross check. Now you need to cross check both sides. You need to cross check both sides at first. There's a difference. There's a difference. Then you need to identify the reasons for the difference. Now you need to identify the reasons for the difference. At first, okay, before identifying reason, you need to cross check bank account and bank statement. Bank account and bank statement. You need to cross check at first. You will cross check. Now, please get a red pen. Please cross check. Now, if you have debited to bank account, bank statement should be credited. Yes, bank statement credited. Bank statement credited. Right. That one. You have debited, bank has credited. Then okay, 40,000 now. You have debited 35,000. The bank has credited 35,000. That one also okay. That one also okay. You have debited, bank has credited. You have debited 46,000. The bank has credited 46,000. That one also okay. You have debited, bank has credited. Next one. You have debited 16,000 check. Bank has credited. Okay, bank has credited. Let's say first it's not okay, but you have debited, bank has credited. You have debited, bank has credited. Okay, Amani. You have debited 28,000, but in the bank statement we can't see 28,000. It's still unrealized check, uncollected cash for that check. Therefore, you can't put tick marks for this one. Right. Look at the credit side. Look at the credit side. Look at the credit side. Bank account credit 25,000. Bank statement debit 25,000. No. After receiving this bank statement in February month, you need to cross check bank account and bank statement. We are okay. Checking this bank account and bank statement. You have credited, bank has debited. You have credited, bank has debited 50,000. That one also. That one also. You have credited 17,000. The bank has debited 70,000. That one also. That one also. You have credited 12,000, but still the bank has not debited. So, this unmarked item, these are the reasons for this difference. 28,000, 12,000. Credit side 22,000 and 17,000. Debit side 16,000 and 8,000, 2,500. These are the reasons for the difference. These are the reasons for the difference. These are the reasons for the differences. Okay, right. Lamai. If we have errors, Lamai, this 20,000 check, is it our fault? Is it our error? That is, Lamai, this 20,000 is not an error. of our business. We have deposited properly, but still the bank has not collected. That is not an error. The technical delay in Sri Lanka nothing to do. A technical delay in Sri Lanka nothing to do for that 20,000. Now this 20,000 unrealized check, that is not an our error. 12,000 same we have issued, but still the bank has not paid cash for this check. This is not an error. We have properly recorded, then no issue. This is not an error. Okay, in February 1, the board account will deposit this check into their account and they will collect cash from our account. This is not an error. 12,000 is not an error. Those are some technical relations Sri Lanka nothing to do. Nothing to do. Fine. Look at the credit side, Lamai. Look at the current account, Lamai. Bank statement. The bank statement, direct remittance is 22,000. One of the debtor directly deposited 22,000 into our bank. But we have not recorded. That is our fault. That is one of the error done by our business organization. We need to record this 22,000 in our bank account. Bank account. 17,000 issued check return. Issued check we have recorded, but return of this check we have not recorded. That is our fault. One of the error done by our business organization. Then we need to adjust our errors. We need to correct our errors. 70,000. Now my current account debit side. Now my check return 60,000. Deposited check returned by the bank. Still we have not recorded. Bank has recorded, but we have not recorded. Then that error we need to correct. We need to correct. We have a bank account. 8,000 8,000 standing order payment. We have not recorded. Bank has over recorded. If we have not recorded, one of the mistake done by us. Then this 8,000 also we need to record in our bank. In our bank account. 2,570 also we have not recorded. Bank charges we have not recorded. Therefore, those things we need to record in our bank. But these two errors are not our errors. Those are some technical delays. Nothing to do. Okay, right. Lamai, do you have any doubt? Now we are going to prepare adjusted cash book and bank reconciliation statement. Do you have any doubt? Baat here. Do you have any doubt? Baat here? No doubt. What about Daksharni?
No, sir.
No doubt. Right. What about Abhishek?
No, sir.
No, Ashwin, right. Now we will prepare adjusted bank account. Adjusted bank account means adjusted cash book. Adjusted cash. Another name is adjusted cash book. But okay, adjusted cash book or adjusted bank account. Same thing, huh? Right. And then bank reconciliation statement. Right. Now here in this whiteboard I don't have enough space. Therefore, I will remove that cash book. I will remove that cash book tab. This cash book prepared by the big HND bank. I will remove these two. Right. Fine. I will prepare here adjusted bank account. Adjusted cash book also same, but adjusted I will record it as adjusted bank account for understanding purpose. Adjusted bank account. And then here I will go bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Now at first incorrect bank account balance is how much? 96,000. Incorrect bank account balance is 96,000. I will record here balance brought forward 96,000. Balance brought forward 96,000. Incorrect bank account balance. Incorrect bank balance 96,000. Now, look at the bank statement credit side. Look at the bank statement credit side. Look at the bank statement credit side. Now, in the bank statement credit side, 22,000 direct debit. We have a record. Our four. Then the money. How to pass double entry by our business organization for this 22,000. Huh? Adjusted bank account debit 22,000. Debtors account credit 22,000. Adjusted bank account debit. Debtors account credit. Debtors account credit. Then the money. No need to write down it as direct remittances. Here they have given direct remittances by a debtor. Debtor. Therefore, we can write down it as debtor. Okay, debtor. Now, debtors 22,000. Here, adjusted bank account debit, cash book. Sorry, adjusted bank account debit, debtor account credit. That is how double entry is passed by the. Let me give you one minute. Adjusted bank account debit, cash book credit 22,000. Sorry, debtors account credit 22. Adjusted bank account debit, debtors account credit 22. Right, and then my next one. Credit side bank statement 17,000. 17,000. Now my issued check but return. Issued check but return. Okay, then my again issued check you need to debit into adjusted bank account. Okay, this issued check return then my you need to debit this 17,000 again to adjusted bank account. 17,000 debit. 17,000 debit. We will record it as creditors. Creditors ne. Issued check to creditors. Issued check to creditors ne. Therefore, we will debit that 70,000 check into our adjusted bank account here creditors. Okay. If examiner has not mentioned that return check belongs to creditor, then just return. Then you can write down here return check. But here issue check to a creditor. Therefore, we will record here creditor. But if they have not mentioned anything regarding creditor, okay, then you can record here return check return. Okay, but here we will record it as creditors. Creditors, adjusted bank account, debit 70. Right. And am I credit side of the bank statement? Okay. Look at the debit side of the bank statement. Debit side. Am I here? 16,000. A deposited the return check. Deposited the return check. Am I this deposited check return? Deposited check return. Then how to record this 16,000 check? Deposited check return. Then am I again you need to credit this 16,000 check in bank account. Again you need to credit. You need to credit. Debited check you need to credit. Then am I here adjusted bank account credit 16,000 here. Debtors. Why debtors? Received check from debtor returned by the bank. Therefore, we will record 16,000 in the bank account. Description debtors. Here, adjusted bank account credit, debtors account debit. You need to pay debtors again. Adjusted bank account debit, debtors account. Sorry, adjusted bank account credit, debtors account debit. Okay, adjusted bank account credit, debtors account debit. 16,000. Okay, right. Okay, right. My adjusted bank account debit side okay. Look at the adjusted bank account debit side 8,000. Here 8,000. 8,000 is what? Standing order payment. 8,000 is standing order payment. Standing order payment 8,000. Standing order payment you have not recorded. Then you need to record. Adjusted bank account credit 8,000. Insurance. Insurance. Okay. To pay insurance, we have given an order to the bank. Okay, pay that amount on standing order. But we were unable to record that standing order payment in our registered bank, in our bank account. Therefore, after receiving the bank statement, we recorded that standing order payment in our registered bank account. So then our bank account credit, insurance expense account debit 8,000. Bank account credit, insurance expense account debit 8,000. Bank charges also same issue. Bank charges. We have not recorded. Therefore, in our bank account credit, bank charges expense account debit. Okay, bank account credit, bank charges expense account Debit 2,507. Here are bank charges. These are errors done by our business organization. Right now, we corrected those errors. Okay, right. Lamani, calculate the closing cash balance, closing adjusted bank balance. How much? How much? Closing adjusted cash balance. How much? Right. Okay, how much the adjusted cash flow balance now? Adjusted bank account balance. How much? Yes, I got the correct answer from Daksha. Yes. What about others? Abhishek, Bhatia. Okay, how much? Right. Bhatia, how much? Yes. Abhishek, how much? Closing cash balance. Abhishek, how much? Abhishek. Do we say total amount 96,000, 22,000 plus 17,000, 135,000. 135,000 minus 16,000, 8,000 and 2,570. How much? 108,430. Balance can be done. Am I? We adjusted our bank account balance. We adjusted our bank account balance, but still there's a difference. We adjusted balance. Here balance is 108,430, but bank statement balance is 92,400. We adjusted our balance, but there's a difference. Right now we need to identify what are the reasons for that difference. These are the reasons. Here we have deposited 20,000 check, but still the bank has not recorded. We issued 12,000 check, but still the bank has not recorded. Okay, we deposited 20,000 check, but still the bank has not collected cash for that check. We issued 10,000 check, but still the bank has not paid cash for that check. Now my 20,000 unrealized check. The technical term is unrealized check. 12,000 unpresented check. 12,000 unpresented check. Okay, right? Am I? Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Am I here? Here you need to write down balance as per adjusted bank account. Balance as per adjusted bank account. Balance as per adjusted bank account. Now you know how much? How much? 108,430. Balance as per adjusted bank account 108,430. 108,430. Balance as per adjusted bank. And then the money plus leave two lines. Minus leave two lines. And then I here write down balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. Okay, I balance as per adjusted bank account. And then I here plus mark and then leave two lines. And then I here minus mark and then leave two lines. Here write down balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. Then balance as per adjusted bank account 108,430. Okay, done. Abhishek, done. Abhishek.
Yes.
Yes, right. Dakshani done. Dakshani.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Okay, okay, right. Okay. Right. Now here deposited check not realized. How to go this 20,000? Now to the bank reconciliation statement. This is a bank reconciliation. Now to the bank reconciliation statement, we can provide information to the top management. They say, Raman, you are the accountant of this business. You are the accountant. Bhatia is the accountant of this business. Let's say in this business, finance manager, someone else. Sitma financial manager. Sitma financial manager. Okay. Sitma asks from Bhatia, what is the reason for this difference? According to your bank account, it shows 108,430. But as per bank statement, the difference, the balance is 92,430. So what is the reason for the difference? To the bank reconciliation statement, you can supply reasons for the difference. These are the reasons. What are the reasons? Unrealized check 28,000, unpresented check 12,000. So to the reconciliation, you can supply reasons for the difference between bank account balance and bank statement balance to the top management of the business organization. Like how to prepare the reconciliation. Now, in here, you have debited 28,000 check. You have added 28,000 check to your balance. You have added 28,000. You have added 20,000, but still the bank has not added to our balance. You have added ne? Then deduct. You have added. If you deducted 20,000 from your balance, what will happen? Your balance will be equal to bank statement balance. I have added, therefore deduct. I have added 20,000 say to my balance, to bank balance, but the Bharti has added 20,000 to bank balance. Okay, then what you need to deduct. I have added ne, if I deducted this amount, my balance will be equal to bank statement balance. So then my unrealized check minus. Unrealized check minus 20,000. Unrealized check 20,000 minus. Unrealized check 20,000 minus. Okay, 20,000 minus unrealized check. You have added ne, then deduct. If you deducted, your balance will be equal to bank statement balance. Right. Next one. Next one. In bank account, you have recorded 10,000 in credit side, but still the bank has not paid. The bank has only unpercentage check. Lamai, you have deducted 12,000 check, but still the bank has not paid. Although you deducted, bank has not deducted. Bank has not paid. Lamai, so the reconciliation you need to provide information to top money. I have deducted, but still the bank has not deducted. If I add that check again to my balance will be equal to bank statement balance. If I deducted that amount again to my balance, what will happen? My balance will be equal to bank statement balance. So then I'm here. Unpercentage check plus 12,000. Unpercentage check plus 12,000. You have deducted, then add that. Here you have added, therefore minus, deduct, subtract. Okay, right. My question is finished. Done. All the unrealized check and unpercentage check we recorded in the bank reconciliation statement. Right now, 12,000 plus 20,000 minus. How much the balance? How much the balance? How much the balance? Balance as per bank statement. If you properly prepare the bank reconciliation statement, your reconciliation statement balance should be equal to bank statement balance. How much? How much? Now here 108,430 plus 12,000 minus 28,000. That is how much? 92,430. Balance is 92,000. Right. Your balance, okay, the balance as per the bank reconciliation equal to balance as per bank statement. Okay, right. If you properly prepare the reconciliation statement, your balance should be the bank statement balance. Right. That is the end of bank reconciliation. That is the whole idea regarding bank reconciliation statement. We discussed from beginning to end. From beginning to end. Let me quickly complete the reconciliation if you have not done. Quickly complete. Daksharni, clear? Daksharni. Abhishek, clear Abhishek?
Yes.
Yes, right. Right. Now right. Right. Can you complete question number 2? Now can you complete question number 2? If you have a clear idea regarding that question, you can do question number 2. You can complete question number 2. Now complete question number 2. I will give you some time. Complete question number 2 and send me answers. Now complete question number 2. Okay. Please get half an hour. Try to complete question number 2. Until you complete question number 2, I need to do a post. I need to prepare a post, Facebook post for the Teachers Day. Right, Bharti Abhishek, send me answers. I got the answer from Dakshavani. Right, Dakshavani answer is okay, huh? Right. Right. Bharti answer is okay, huh? Correct, huh? Right. But Bharti answer is okay. Right. Abhishek, try to send me answers.
Yeah. Bank. I don't have bank rate 9,000.
Bank statement balance how much, Abhishek? Bank statement balance?
29,000.
Statement balance.
Bank statement for
The bank statement balance should be 69,000, huh? Ah, right. Okay, okay. The bank reconciliation statement balance, it is, I think, bank statement balance 69,000. 69,000, eh? The statement balance should be 69,000. Abhishek, check the answer again.
yes, sir.
Abhishek, check the group, huh?
Okay.
Right. Now we will move into question number 3. Look at the question number 3. Okay, the question number 3. For the question number 3, you need to prepare bank account, bank statement, adjusted cash book. Adjusted cash book means adjusted bank account. Huh? Fourth one, bank reconciliation statement. Okay, right. Right, bank account and then bank statement, right? Now I quickly draw a bank account and bank statement. Okay, at first I will give you some idea, then you can continue the question. Huh? Right. Prepare the bank account and bank statement. For the question number 3. For the question number 3. Prepare bank account. Okay, this bank account, okay, maintained by the business organization. Okay, this bank account maintained by the business organization, huh? Business organization. And then prepare the bank statement. Bank statement prepared by the business bank, huh? Bank statement prepared by the commercial bank. The bank statement prepared by the commercial bank. Here, bank, the bank statement here, debit column and credit column. Debit credit balance. Okay, practically, now you can see some of the banks, okay, use payments for the debit column. Without writing debit, okay, they have mentioned payments. Without mentioning credit, they have mentioned deposits. Deposits, payment and deposits. This column deposit, this column payments. Practical, now you can see, okay, in bank statement, payments and deposits. Why? Customers cannot identify debit credit. They don't know debit credit. If the bank mention payments and deposits, then customers can get an idea. Therefore, most of the banks now use payments for the debit, deposits for the credit. Okay. Or sometimes deposits and withdrawals. Withdrawals. Some business use for the debit column withdrawals and credit column debit. Sorry, deposits. Right. Can I quickly draw this cash book and bank account for the question number 3? Right, shall we start? Bhati, shall we start? Dakshana, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now I look at the question. Information relation, question number 3. Information relation to Romal traders, ne? Romal traders, ne? Yes, Romal traders for the month of March 2025 are given below. These are the information. Now here, look at the first transaction. Now my first transaction, okay, we need to prepare. Now we need to prepare bank account, bank statement for the month of March. For the month of March. Here we prepare bank account for the month of March. Bank statement for the month of March. Okay, this is Sampath Bank. Sampath Bank prepare bank statement for the month of March. For the month of March. Our business prepare bank account for the month of March. But look at the question. Look at the question. Look at the question. Question says that here 26 February deposited date 26 February. 26 February deposited check 24,100. Realized on March 2nd. Realized on March 2nd. Now 26 February. 26 February means okay, that check no need to record in the bank account. Why? Last month they have recorded. But the thing is, realized date is 2nd March. Realized date is 2nd March. Okay. Recorded day by the bank 2nd March. But deposited date February 1. No need to record in the bank account, but you need to record in the bank statement 2nd March. We are preparing statement for the March month. So for the March month, you need to record this deposited check 24,100. Realized date. Realized date 2nd month. Look at the next check. Next one also same. Issued check 28 February. You have recorded in the bank account in the last month. In the last month, okay, you have recorded in the bank account. But present date 1st March. Okay, in the bank account you can record. You cannot record, but in the statement you can record. Present date 1st March. Recorded date. Sorry, present date 1st March. Therefore, you can record in the bank statement. Okay, these two checks are included in the bank reconciliation of the last month, February month. In the bank reconciliation of February month, unrealized check 24,100, unpresented check 12,008. Okay, right. And then look at the 1st March next two balances are 1st March bank account opening balance 84,200. Bank account opening balance. Now here 1st March. 1st March balance brought forward how much? 84,200. 84,200. And then 1st March bank statement balance brought forward how much? BBF balance statement balance brought forward 72,900. 72,900. 1st March balance brought forward 72,900. Opening balance in the bank statement. Opening balance of the bank. Opening balance in the bank statement. Opening balance in the bank account. Bank account. Right. Now we will record first two transactions. First two transactions no need to record in the bank account. But we need to record in the bank statement. Now here, at first we will record second transaction. Second one, present date, 1st March. 1st March. Then here, 1st March. 1st March. Check payment. Write down check payment. 1st March check payment. 12,800. 1st March. Check payment 12,800. 12,800. Now the balance how much? 72,900 minus 12,800. How much? 60,100. 60,100. 1st March presented check. 1st March 60,100. 60,100. 1st March. Okay, right. And then first transaction 26 February deposited check, but realized on March 2nd. Realized on March 2nd, and then 2nd March. 2nd March. Here write down check deposit. Check deposit. Write down check deposit 24,100. 24,100. Right now, the balance is how much? Balance is 60,100 plus 24,100. 84,200. 84,200. 84,200. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Dakshana clear?
Yes, sir.
Bhatia clear? Right now, Ramai. After gesting these two accounts, these two transactions, what has happened? Your balance is 84,200, bank statement balance is 82,000. Balances now week. Balances now week. Okay, now your balance first March, but third March, second March. Now your balance equal to bank statement balance 84,200. Now your balance is equal. Right. Okay, now please record other transactions in the bank account and bank statement, and now prepare the bank adjusted bank account and bank reconciliation statement. Right, now I will give you some time. Try to complete this question. Question number 12. Now prepare this question. Start the question. I might try to get the practical understanding. Practical understanding and logical understanding. And then other thing is, okay, learn the subject properly and please teach this concept someone else. That's the best method. If you have any brother or sister doing O level, okay, teach them bad reconciliation. Then again, you won't have any issue. If you have any issue, if you have any friend, okay, doing A level, teach them these concepts going like this. Okay, and then after that, no need to worry about bad reconciliation. Teaching is the best method to learn. Teaching is the best method to learn. So check 26. Third March bank account debit. Bank account debit. Here, there's no any thing regarding whether that check received from debtors or not. Okay, just write down third March. Just write down in the bank account. Third March check deposit. Check deposit. Check deposit 26,400. And then freelance date is 5th March. That one also check deposit. 26,400. Okay, if the examiner has mentioned that check received from a debtor, you can write down here debtors. But in this question, there is no clear description regarding the receiving of that check. Therefore, just write down check deposit 26,400. Yeah. Okay, that's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Just write down check deposit. Daksharya, no need to record these two checks in the reconciliation or bank account. Lastly, you have recorded. Lastly, you have recorded. Therefore, no need to record these two checks in the adjusted bank account. Last month presented then, last month issued then deposit check. In this month, presented as well as realized. No need to record these two checks. Okay, that's all.
Okay, sir.
Right, Dakshari balance. Bhartiya balance. Balance or not? Not balance. Eh? Dakshari, can you send me the full answer right now?
Okay, sir.
Right, Dakshari balance. Question B. Check the answer. Check the answer. Okay, today I will send you the recording. Lama, please put the recording again. Huh? Okay. If the question is not clear, please check the answer again. Right. Look at the. Please check the answer and then complete your question. Huh? Right. Next day, if you want to discuss question number 3, next day we'll discuss. Next day we'll discuss. But if you don't want to discuss, okay, please check the answer. I send you the Dakshari's answers to the group. Try to complete question number these questions at home. Try to complete question number 4 and 5 at home. Question number 5 and 4. Question number 4 and 5 at home. We'll try to complete this lesson next Sunday. We'll try, yeah. We'll try. Okay. Right. Right. Lamai, enough for the day. Again, we'll meet next Sunday. Okay. Right. 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 Lamai, thank you for the class. Huh? Right.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Right.